Okay. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Let's begin. We are going to start with the new chapter today. Um, okay, which is transmission impairments. Uh, all right. Not a very difficult topic. In fact, a very easy one to understand. Now, what do you mean by the word impairments? What is the meaning of this word impairment? Yes,
Not
transmission
properly.
transmission impairments means
There's something improper.
something which is not proper. Okay, there is loss of something. Okay, just when we say that the body is impaired, that means there is some loss of limb or some organ or something like that. So transmission impairments means something which is going wrong somewhere. Okay, during transmission, that is known as transmission impairments. So see, how do signals travel? If we are talking about the guided media, how do signals travel? They travel through some transmission medium.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Consider if they are transmitted through some wires. Okay, now these transmission media na, they're not perfect. हर एक टाइप ऑफ वायर्स में अलग अलग प्रॉब्लम होती है. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू नो, इफ यू हैव रेड दैट चैप्टर ऑफ गाइडेड अनगाइडेड मीडिया, you would understand this quite well, that every wire has its own limitation to carry. ठीक है. So because of these limitations, there are some imperfections which are caused in the signal that is being transmitted. Okay, which means that the signal at the beginning, okay, is not the same at the end of the transmission. यानी भेजा कुछ था और receive कुछ हुआ है. Okay, there is some difference. What was sent is not what is received. So when this is the situation, that time we say that there was some kind of impairments. Okay, now there are three types of impairments. One is attenuation, second is distortion, and the third is noise. Can you see the diagram on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The spelling of impairment super wrong, yeah. Just ignore that. Yes, but can you see? So have you understood the meaning of the word impairment?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, impairment means some
Yes, ma'am.
okay, some imperfections that are caused at the time of transmission of the signal. Okay, so what was sent is not what was received. When there is a difference between one signal at the beginning and the same similar signal at the end, that time we conclude that there is some problem during the transmission, and that is known as transmission impairments. There are three types of impairments: attenuation, distortion, and noise. Now let's have a look at each one of them. First, we will see attenuation. But before that, did you understand this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Now, what is attenuation? Attenuation means loss of energy. What do you mean by that? Can anyone explain? I mean, किसी को भी कुछ भी rough idea भी है? See, anyone? You all can read the content which is given on the screen. I'm sure you must be doing that. See, any signal which is being transmitted from one place to another, that signal will gradually lose its energy, some of its energy. Okay, why will it lose its energy?
Because it is traveling far.
It is traveling far and it is traveling in a medium. The medium has its own limitation, and and it is resisting that. है ना? तो वो जो रेजिस्टेंस ओवरकम कर रहा है सिग्नल, उसमें उसका एनर्जी लॉस हो जाता है। अभी अगर मैंने तुम लोगों को एक बहुत ही छोटी सी जगह दे दी बैठने के लिए, ठीक है, या फिर एक एकदम पैक ट्रेन में तुमको भेज दिया, तो जब तुम चढ़े थे ट्रेन में जिस एनर्जी से, वो सेम रहेगी जब तुम उतरोगे?
No, ma'am.
नो,
No.
No, ma'am.
क्योंकि constantly what were you trying to do? You were trying to resist, right? You were trying when मतलब constantly when you were there in that compartment, in that overly crowded compartment, what were you doing? You were trying to resist that particular, environment, and trying to find space, and you were trying to adjust, and so during that time you lost the energy. So the time that you boarded the train, the energy that you had during that time, and the energy that you had when you got down of the train will not be the same, because drain हो गया ना energy ये इतना fighting और इतना congestion में।
Yes, ma'am.
इसीलिए अगर तुमने देखा, ऑब्जर्व किया होगा, तो वायर्स थोड़े से गर्म होते हैं, देखा है कभी? थोड़ा
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
क्यों गर्म होते हैं? इसी के वजह से, बिकॉज इट गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू हीट। ओके, so this situation is known as attenuation. Okay, I'll tell you. See, first look at the diagram. Now this was the original signal at point 1. Okay, can you see this particular signal at point 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now it is traveling through via this transmission medium, and it reaches point 2. Now when it reaches point 2, can you see वो ये पर्टिकुलर सिग्नल की क्या हालत हो गई है यहाँ पे? दिखा
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this particular signal is now attenuated. Attenuated मतलब इसका एनर्जी अभी लो है। Okay, so in such a case what we do, how do we solve this problem? So there is something called as amplifier, which will amplify the signal and convert it into its original form. Can you see point number 3? Point 3 here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So amplifiers are used to amplify the signals to increase their energy to the level that they were sent to match up with the original energy. Now, how do you measure this particular attenuation? How do you measure that? You measure, the unit of measurement is known as decibel. मतलब क्या है? डेसिबल क्या करेगा? वो मेजर करेगा स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर सिग्नल। तो पॉइंट नंबर 1 में कुछ डेसिबल आया होगा, पॉइंट नंबर 2 में कुछ डेसिबल आया होगा, और पॉइंट नंबर 3 में कुछ डेसिबल आया होगा। नाउ इफ दिस डेसिबल इज नेगेटिव, दैट मीन्स द सिग्नल इज अटेनुएटेड. If it is positive, that means the signal is amplified. Is that understood? So here, in this case, decibel क्या आया होगा? Positive या negative?
Negative.
Negative. Why? Because this is attenuated. And in this case,
Positive.
Positive.
positive. So understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Simple.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So transmission impairments क्या होता है? What do you mean by transmission impairments?
Imperfections that have occurred during the transmission of signals.
Yes, perfect. Imperfections that have occurred during the transmission of a signal. So what was sent is not what is received. That is, then you can conclude that there was some transmission error or transmission impairment that has occurred. What are the 3 types of transmission impairments? Attenuation.
Distortion.
Distortion and noise.
Yes, attenuation, distortion, and noise. Now, what is attenuation?
Attenuation is loss of energy.
Loss of energy. What do you mean by that?
signal loses its energy due to two conditions. First, due to traveling farther, as the signal travels farther, it becomes weak. And why does it happen? Is because it is resisting the medium. So resisting the medium means it gets converted to heat energy. So that's why it loses its strength. The signal loses its strength.
It is not resisting the medium. It is trying to overcome that particular resistance of the medium. वो medium का एक अपना shortcoming होगा ना, तो उसको वो overcome करने की कोशिश में उसका energy lose हो जाता है. Otherwise, you were absolutely correct. What is your name?
Radhika, ma'am.
Lovely. Radhika, of course. So very good, Radhika. So did you understand the difference? The signal is trying to overcome that particular situation, that particular problem in the medium, and उस case में उसका energy drain out हो जाता है, ठीक है? And then it converts into heat. So you have understood what is attenuation. In fact, everybody else has understood what is attenuation.
Yes, ma'am.
What do we use to overcome this particular problem?
Amplifier.
Amplifier.
Fire.
Which device, what do we use?
Amplifier.
We use amplifiers. Now, what is the task of the amplifier?
To convert
Amplifier do.
signal into its original state.
It will amplify the signal to its original energy. Yes, good. Who was that?
Neha.
Neha. Yes, Neha. Very good. Okay. Now, decibel is the unit of measurement of strength of a particular signal. That is how we come to know that the signal has attenuated or is being amplified. Okay. So if this decibel is negative, we say that it is attenuated. If it is positive, we say that it is amplified. Now the next is distortion. Now what do you mean by distortion? Distortion means
breaking
Change.
of the signal.
breaking of the signal. मतलब distort
Ma'am,
कभी भी है ना, distort होने का मतलब क्या है? It will change its shape or its form. That is distortion. Break मतलब
ma'am, what I meant was when the signal passes along the medium, it breaks, matlab it distorts, and then it passes. It's not passing as a whole.
नहीं, वो नहीं है, वो noise में आएगा. बतुल, right?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, बतुल वो चीज सी ब्रेकिंग वगैरह, वो अगर शॉर्ट स्पाइक्स हो गए या कुछ ऐसे बीच में वो वायर में से ऐसा थोड़ा सा स्पार्क जैसा आता है ना, वो केस में इट ब्रेक्स एंड उस केस में डेटा लॉस वगैरह हो जाता है. डिस्टॉर्शन मतलब वो पहुंचता तो है लेकिन डिस्टॉर्टेड, यानी उसका शेप एंड साइज एंड फॉर्म और सब अलग हो जाता है. दैट इज डिस्टॉर्शन. नाउ सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर मैं 3 लड़कियों को एक गोनी रहता ना, सैक, उसमें डालूं और रनिंग करने के लिए बोलूं, you have to reach from one point to the other point. What am I doing? Here I'm talking about composite signals. ठीक है, composite signals मतलब different frequency के signals को साथ में डाल के जब भेजते हैं ना, उसको बोलते हैं composite signals. तो यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया है, अलग अलग तरीके की लड़कियों को एक सैक में डाला है और वो उनको बोला है कि you have to now reach that particular destination, and there is a competition between 3-4 such groups. Okay. Now there are 3 girls in one particular sack. Each girl will have its own propagation speed, will have its own running capacity and running speed. Do you all agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. तो अभी एक लड़की फास्ट भागती है, एक लड़की स्लो भागती है, तो वो अगर फास्ट जाने की कोशिश करेगी तो वो स्लो अटक जाएगी, बिकॉज स्लो इज पीछे, और एक गोनी में हो तुम लोग, एक सैक में हो, यू कैन नॉट गो आउट ऑफ द सैक एंड complete your race, right? You have to be in that. So there is some kind of struggle between these 3 girls, and when they reach, can you imagine, एक के बाल खड़े होंगे, एक का कुछ नीचे गिर गया, एक का क्या हो गया, एक का वो हो गया, the shape, the form is distorted. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That is known as distortion. So see, this is the composite signal which is sent. Okay. When you phase them out, यानी देखो इसमें 3 signals हैं. एक का frequency ये है, second is this one and third is this one. From point 1 to point 2 they are transmitting. यहाँ पे receive हुए हैं and when they are again clubbed into a composite signal, can you see the distortion here? यहाँ पे देखो ये ऐसे हो गया टेढ़ा, ये थोड़ा टेढ़ा हो गया है, समझा? अब ये डिस्टॉर्शन,
Yes, ma'am.
ये डिस्टॉर्शन में क्या होगा कि सपोज अगर ऑडियो सिग्नल है तो वॉल्यूम कम हो जाएगी या कर कर कुछ आएगा या सम डिस्टर्बेंस या डिले हो जाएगा, समथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट, या इसकी इसका क्वालिटी डिग्रेड हो जाएगा, ये सब कुछ होगा डिस्टॉर्शन में, समझा? जो सिग्नल डिस्टॉर्ट हुआ है उसकी क्वालिटी डिग्रेड हो जाएगी, मे बी एकदम लो वॉल्यूम में सुनाई देगा, बराबर सुनाई नहीं देगा. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है, राइट, व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग ओवर द फोन ऑल्सो, और इफ देयर इज एन वॉइस ट्रांसमिशन गोइंग ऑन, द क्लैरिटी बीच में जाती है, इट गेट्स डिस्टॉर्टेड.
Yes.
Yes, so that is distortion. Understood? Now, if the signals are distorted, we use equalizers to equalize them to the original frequency, to the original level. So, पहले amplifiers use होते थे attenuation में, distortion में equalizers use होंगे. ठीक है, समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, third is noise. Now, what is noise? Disturbance, okay. What else? See, there are noise is divided into 4 categories. लेकिन पहले तो noise होता क्या है पता है कि जब भी कोई भी सिग्नल ट्रांसमिट किया जाता है तो एक तो वो सिग्नल जो मतलब रिसीवर को क्या मिलेगा, वो सिग्नल जो ट्रांसमिट हुआ है वो सिग्नल जो ट्रांसमिट हुआ है वो मॉडिफाई होगा थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि डिस्टॉर्शन है बहुत सारे which are imposed by the transmission system, है ना? So the original, what will the receiver receive? The receiver will receive the original signal, but a modified version of the original signal, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because any signal which is being transmitted will have some kind of distortion in it. Okay, so the receiver is going to get the original signal, but a modified one, plus additional unwanted signals that are inserted somewhere between the transmission and the reception. That is known as noise. So what is noise? Additional unwanted signals which are inserted. This is known as noise. मतलब ये एक नया सिग्नल है जो ओरिजिनल सिग्नल के से अलग है और वो भी रिसीवर को मिल रहा है. That is known as noise. मतलब ओरिजिनल सिग्नल के साथ में क्लब होके वो भी उसको मिल रहा है, तो दिस इज नॉइज. करेक्ट? Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
See, that day, I was editing some video on one app. So that particular video already had some background noise, because when you are recording anything, the background noise will also get recorded. Yeah, we say that it is
Yes,
a
ma'am.
noise, है ना? हम लोग हमेशा background noise बोलते हैं उसको. लेकिन मैं जो रिकॉर्ड कर रही थी, आई वॉज रिकॉर्डिंग अ पर्टिकुलर whatever, a particular thing, right? But उसको रिकॉर्ड करते करते, so वो ओरिजिनल मुझे जो रिकॉर्ड करना था, along with that there was some background noise which came along with it, along with the original signal, that also got recorded. So that was a background noise. So this, लेकिन वो obviously वो ऐप में वो फीचर था कि वो बैकग्राउंड नॉइज को आप निकाल सकते हो, तो वो निकाल दिया मैंने और वो निकल गया. सो ओनली दैट रिकॉर्डिंग था, वो बैकग्राउंड नॉइज सब चला गया. बट दैट बैकग्राउंड नॉइज, व्हाट वाज इट? इट इज एन अनवांटेड सिग्नल व्हिच केम अलोंग विद इट. इट वाज एन अनवांटेड thing which came along with the recording.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
avoid it, right? I couldn't avoid it. मैं उसको avoid कर सकती, या तो दूसरा solution ये है कि मुझे एकदम वैक्यूम करना पड़ता रूम को, सब कुछ बंद करो और कहीं पे कुछ बैकग्राउंड नॉइज नहीं आने चाहिए, वो एक अलग सॉल्यूशन है. बट जब आप कुछ रिकॉर्ड करते हो तो उसके साथ में वो बैकग्राउंड नॉइज आएगा ही, उसका आपको, है ना. सो इसको बोलेंगे नॉइज. दिस इज known as, these undesired signals which we don't want, they are known as noise.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Noise is one of the major limiting factors in any communication system's performance, okay, because it's a different signal altogether, है ना. And noise हमेशा से एक problematic situation generate करता ही है in any network that you see. In मतलब performance में this is one of the most important, one of the biggest problem in a transmission media. Okay. Now, noise is divided into 4 categories. What are those 4? One is thermal noise, intermodulation noise, crosstalk, and impulse noise. Do you want me to continue this here? Which lecture do you have now?
Java.
Java. Okay. So see, there are 4 categories which we will do in the next class, and along with that we have channel capacity. So this we will continue in the next class. Thursday we will finish with this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now can I
Yes, ma'am.
expect our homework from you?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Click a picture of this particular slide. Thermal noise, intermodulation noise, and crosstalk.
Done, ma'am.
Yes.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now, in the what I want you all to do is you have to understand what are these 3 types of noises: thermal, intermodulation, and crosstalk. And in the next class, let's have a discussion rather than only me talking. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.